Hi smart people! Today we're going to show you a spectacular beachfront villa in the North Bali, and yes, this property is ready to be your money generator. So without any further ado, let me guide you through this lovely property. This property is situated halfway between Amed to the east and Singaraja to the west. You'll find this beautiful freehold property on coastal of Northern Bali, consisting 3 luxury villas, a spa and meditation room, a restaurant, and also a big and beautiful infinity pool that facing right to the ocean. Look at that. This villa also surrounded by the coconut palms, Frangipani Trees, and local flora that can make you feel so fresh by breathing the fresh air literally every day. The 3 spacious villa identically constructed over 204 square meters of the luxury villas. Each consists of 3 bathrooms and 2 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen there, and also a living space here. It's so lovely. Throughout the villa, you will find this antique marble floor, and each villa has its own Lotus Pond and each Gazebo. Look at that! There's a koi inside. So lovely! You're gonna like it! This villa offers a fantastic restaurant that's facing right to the ocean. For sure, there's no better place to enjoy your traditional Balinese cuisine as right here. This freehold property also completed by a management building that consists of receptionist office, a large parking area, kitchen for restaurant, a laundry space, and also a guest restroom. The final piece in this perfect puzzle is the 18 meters on 15 meters infinity pool overlooking the calm ocean. You can really not ask for more. Well, smart people, this type of villa is very fit to any type of visitors, from family vacation, yoga retreat, or maybe wedding venue. You must have one. Smart people, if you feel like this could be your future home or investment, contact BVR Property right now. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!